Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So we're talking about this movie titled Longing, currently showing on Bolaji Ogunmola TV. If you have not seen this movie yet, you are missing out. And trust me, this movie is not just about wanting something. It is about desire, choices, consequence, relationships, and the thing people do when they really need something. So have you ever wanted something badly that you were risking it all just to get it? That's exactly what this movie Longing is all about. So yes guys, this movie introduces us to characters who are dealing with desires and emotional needs that are not always easy to express. At the center of the story is the idea of wanting something or someone and the struggle with the consequences of that desire. And what I particularly enjoy in this movie is that it doesn't immediately give us all the answers we want. Instead, we are gradually introduced to the characters, their relationships, and the situation they are dealing with. So now let's talk about Bolaji Ogunmola. Honestly, she performed so well and brought a lot of emotional depth to her character. What I like about her performance is that she didn't make every emotion unnecessary dramatic. There are moments where her facial expression does the talking. In this movie, she has desires, weakness, emotions, and decisions that make you question what would you have done if you were in her position. So what I like about this movie is that it gives us everything to think about. It is not just about watching the movie immediately and forget. The title itself becomes more meaningful as the story progresses. So guys, have you watched this movie yet? What can you say about it? Drop it in the comment section. I would love to hear from you guys, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.